Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Moon Melon using tomato method in summer harvest event in Grow a Garden Roblox. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up Roblox and launch Grow a Garden. Over here, go to your garden area and plant tomatoes. After that, water your tomatoes and wait for them to grow fully. Then, harvest the tomatoes once they are ready. Over here, take the harvested tomatoes to the summer harvest event area. After that, look for the exchange booth in the event zone. Then interact with the booth and select the option to trade tomatoes. Over here, choose the Moon Melon reward and confirm the trade. So that's basically how you can get Moon Melon using tomato method in summer harvest event in Grow a Garden Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.